Today we're doing a complete hands-on deep dive into the plasma cutting machine, the fast, efficient tool shops used to slice through steel, stainless, aluminum, and other conductive metals. We'll cover what plasma cutting is, different system types, critical component, how it actually cuts metal, common repairs and maintenance, and why plasma cutting is vital in modern fabrication. Stick around, this guide is for beginners and pros alike. Medium metal, much less costly than lasers for many shop applications, and highly portable for field work. Common uses: structural steel fabrication and shipbuilding, automotive repair and fabrication. HVAC and ductwork, panel sheet metal prototyping and production, art, signage, and custom metalwork. Advantages: high cutting speeds on conductive metals, can cut a wide range of thicknesses, handheld to industrial multi-inch systems. Types of plasma cutting systems. Plasma systems come in several families: handheld portable plasma cutters, compact inverter-based units for field and repair work, light gauge to medium thickness, high-definition plasma cutters use precision and fine. CNC plasma cutting tables, gantry or bridge systems for automated nested production, ideal for fabrication shops. Plasma plus water table hybrids reduce smoke and dross, useful for thicker sections. Pilot arc and non-contact start torches allow installation and site requirements. Installing a production plasma system requires planning. A. Electrical supply, portable units, single-phase 110, 240V depending on model. Industrial CNC systems, 3-phase power, e.g., 380, 480V and a suitably size. Compressed air gas. Clean, dry compressed air is the most common plasma gas for mild steel, with oxygen as an option. Industrial systems may use nitrogen, oxygen, argon mixes, or plasma gases per torch spec. Install a dryer, moisture trap, and preser. C. Ventilation and extraction. Plasma produces fumes and particulates. Local extraction or downdraft tables and air filtration are required for indoor operations, especially on galvanized or painted metals. Software and network. CNC tables require a PC or CNC controller with nesting/CADCM software and Ethernet/USB connectivity. Torch cutting head. The handheld or mechanized torch contains consumables: electrode, nozzle, orifice, swirl ring, shield cap. The plasma arc forms between the electrode and the workpiece, constrained by the nozzle for a focused jet. Gas/air system. Provides plasma gas and shield/assist gas. Includes compressor, dryer, moisture traps, pressure regulator, and flow controls. Clean, moisture-free air dramatically improves consumable life and cut quality. Height control, THC, torch height controller. Real-time sensing to maintain correct standoff between nozzle and workpiece despite warpage or uneven sheets. Critical for consistent kerf and minimizing dross. Control electronics and HMI. Power supply controls, CNC controller, cutting parameter database, touchscreen HMI, and connectivity for nesting software. Table and material handling. Slatted or downdraft tables, slag collection, conveyors or part drop systems, and sheet loading/pallet changers for automation. Working principle: exact cutting process. Plasma cutting converts gas into plasma, an ionized, electrically conductive state, and directs it as a high-temperature jet to melt metal. Step-by-step process. Prepare CAD nesting, import part files, DXF DWG, into nesting CM software and generate NC code. Set parameters, choose amperage, travel speed, pierce delay, and gas pressure based on material and thickness. Cutting traverse. The CNC moves the torch along the programmed path while the plasma jet melts and the high-pressure gas blows molten metal out of the kerf. Part removal and secondary work. Finished parts may still need light grinding, deburring, or edge dressing. Operation. CNC programming and production tips. Practical shop tips. Nesting and common line cutting to reduce pierces. Micro-piercing and corner slowing to keep corners clean. Safety, importance and industrial impact. Safety is crucial. Plasma arcs emit UV/IR light, heat, and fumes. Always use PP, leather gloves, welding jacket, shield/goggles, and respirator if That's a full detailed guide to plasma cutting machines, from basics to installation, parts, operation, and maintenance.